What's up, everybody? I'm just going to finish this controller. I need to install 2 more relays. I got them right here. I'll try to ship the controllers today. I'm not sure where it's for. Oh yeah, I know, it's from a small board. And this one and those 2 relays. Okay, good. So let's start with this, because this is going to be an easy one. Then I will put it all back together and ship it to the customer. I hope I can do it today. I have few calls coming up, but it's not really bad. Oh, so not on this side. This is on this side. Okay. So one here and one there. So those 2, I'm going to install them. Let me just see, maybe I'll start with 1 and then I'll continue with the other one. So I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays, and I'm gonna ship it to the customer. This repair is pretty much done. All what I have to do is just to clean it up here and install this back cover in. Put this the other way, and yeah, this is all good to go. This is for a Maytag wall oven, I believe, and the part number is 8507P301-60 revision 1. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.